Hello guys, and welcome to Angular series, and in this tutorial I will show you and explain what is Angular directives and how to use it. Are you ready? Let's get started. So what is directives in Angular? Directives are just classes that add additional behavior to any element in your applications. There are three types of directive in Angular. We have attribute directives, we have a structural directive, and we have component directives. What is attribute directives? This kind of directives change the behavior of an element or component or another directives. It change the appearance or behavior of your element in Angular, such as ng classes. Add classes to your DOM element. ng style, for example. You can add a style to your element. ng module. You can use it and with two ways. Data binding I will explain in the next video. Okay, yeah. And what is structural directives? This kind of directives change the DOM layout by adding or removing DOM elements, such as if you have, for example, a div element, you can set actually condition to your div element, and you can display your element based on condition, and you can display information according to your condition. You can use it ngif and ng4. You can loop through an object array and something like that. And ng switch, we can also use it and set condition to your element. We will cover these things in the next tutorial. Don't worry about that. These are just the theory. Okay, at least we should know what is directives in Angular and what kind of directives do we have in Angular. That's important that we should know. And in the next tutorial we will cover everything in details. Okay, that's it. And component directives, we have, this is the third directives. This kind of directives are used with template like HTML. Okay, yeah, that's all about directives. In the next tutorial we will we will cover everything in details. I hope everything is clear. If you liked the video, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much in advance.